Good evening, Sir Leo Arcaius. I am Ishomar Andrade from G2E-1. This topic is all about intact buoyancy and ship stability affected when breached. Intact buoyancy refers to the ability of a ship to remain afloat and stable when all of its watertight compartments are undamaged, unsealed, in the event of a breach, such as from a hole in the hull collision or grounding, the ship experiences flooding which results in significant changes to its stability. When water enters a breach hole, the loss of buoyancy occurs. The incoming water adds weight without contributing to lift, causing the ship to displace more water in order to stay afloat. As a result, the ship sinks lower in the water, a phenomenon known as increased draft. This reduction in the vessel freeboard, the vertical distance between the waterline and deck, makes the ship more vulnerable to waves, heavy seas, and further flooding, heightening the risk of capsizing or sinking if the issue is not promptly addressed. Flooding causes a shift in both the center of gravity and the center of buoyancy, which disrupts the ship balance. If the flooding is uneven, with water accumulating more on one side than the other, the center of gravity moves toward the flooded area, while the center of buoyancy adjusts based on the new submerged whole ship. This imbalance can lead to listing and in serve causes. If the flooding continues, it may cause the ship to capsize. Another critical factor is the free surface effect, which occurs when water partially fills a compartment but does not completely submerge it. As, as the ship rolls or pitches, the moving water shifts the center of gravity, which reduces stability. This effect becomes particularly dangerous if the ship is already rolling in the root sea, as it can amplify the roll, making it more difficult for the ship to return to an upright position. If this dynamic stability continues unchecked, it could ultimately result in capsizing. Furthermore, sir, buoyancy, the portion of the ship above the waterline that provides extra flotation during emergencies, plays a crucial role in maintaining stability. However, when compartments are fluid, this reserve buoyancy is reduced, compromising the ship's stability to remain afloat. It's too uh, if too much of the reserve is lost, especially with multiple water watertight compartments compromise, the ship may no longer be able to support its weight, leading to a serious risk of sinking even in calming conditions. Conclusion. Breaching intact buoyancy significantly compromise the ship's stability, making it vulnerable to dangerous conditions like lessening, capsizing, or sinking, depending on the severity of the breach and the vessel. Designed to prevent such outcomes, it is critical to maintain watertight integrity and have effective damage control system in place. These measures are essential for ensuring the safety of the vessel and its crew at sea.